Hi guys, so I wanted to share this art form with you all. It's something that I'm doing with all the kiddos this week in class, and it's called Zentangling, but it's an art therapy, a self-help art therapy that helps you redirect your mind and focus your mind a little bit easier, and it also is kind of like an art meditation. So you don't have to do this at all if you don't want to. It's going to take less than 5 minutes, but just wanted to share it with you in case you did. Okay, so we're going to end up drawing something similar to this. That's what it's going to be. But with all the kiddos in classes, we've been using all different kinds of really cool pens and stuff. So you don't have to use black. Zentangling does recommend that you use a pen instead of a pencil. That way you are turning your mistakes into something beautiful and really cool. Okay. But we start with our horizon line, and then we just draw some mountains. And then you can add your sun like it's going to be a sunset. Okay. And then I like to go ahead and add like clouds. And then I'm going to add a little air balloon over here. And if I'm going too quickly, you need to pause the video. Go for it. Okay. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add rays of sunshine that are going to go all the way across my paper. Right here. And there's no right or wrong. Like, if you don't want to follow along with this or just do something completely different, that's totally fine too. Because I tell the kiddos that if they're completely copying me, then they're not making my art, they're making a copy of mine. So, just a fun little tidbit. Now I'm going to make kind of a rainbow shape in every other ray of sunshine. Okay. And then I think that's about it. Now you start adding in the line designs, and I'll include some line design patterns in the email. But I might actually come in here and like add another mountain. So this is where it gets really fun. So this is where you start adding in all these crazy designs here and things, and you start adding contrast. Now I did use a pencil here because I wanted to add in some shading. But you're just adding in some really cool line designs, and make sure you have some contrast, so some balance between light and dark within it. And this is the part that's like meditative and really calming, so it's really cool. And when we do this in class, it's like the kids don't talk, they're just so relaxed and patient. It's just really cool to see how it affects everyone. So that's really it. That's all you have to do. I might make a few more different options for you all in case you don't want the sun one. But, alright guys, happy making!